In biology, we talk about glands being endocrine or exocrine. Today we are identifying the endocrine glands of the body. So let's begin with a quick recap on what endocrine glands actually are. Endocrine glands make chemical messengers known as hormones, and they then secrete them into the bloodstream. These hormones can be proteins, amines, or steroids, and they produce their effects upon receptor binding and cause a change within a cell. As you can see from this diagram here, the endocrine glands of the body are shown. Let's go through a brief overview of each, starting at the top. In the brain, we have 3 glands in total. The glands located at the front of the brain are the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland, and these glands are like control centers. The hypothalamus secretes hormones that tell the pituitary gland what to do, and the pituitary gland secretes hormones that tell the rest of the glands and organs what to do. The other type of gland in the brain is the pineal gland, and it's a little different. The pineal gland makes a hormone that controls sleep patterns. Moving further down, we have the thyroid gland. And the thyroid gland is really important because it controls how much energy we burn. And the amount of energy we burn is known as the basal metabolic rate, or the BMR for short. Next down is the thymus. And the thymus secretes a hormone that targets a special type of white blood cell. And there is a really easy way to remember this. The thymus starts with T, and the white blood cell that it targets is the T cell. So when you think of the thymus, just think T. Next, you'll notice this leaf-shaped organ, and it's the pancreas. You might have heard about the pancreas. But if you haven't, the pancreas controls the amount of sugar or glucose within the blood, and it does this by secreting 2 hormones. Next, you'll see these jelly bean-shaped organs, and these are the kidneys. Now, the kidneys are not endocrine glands, but if you notice those structures on top, they are the adrenal glands, and they are endocrine in nature. The adrenal glands may be small, but they produce 4 hormones in total. 2 of these hormones are amines, and the other 2 are steroid hormones. Finally, the last gland are the reproductive glands. The reproductive glands produce sex hormones. In males, the testes make the sex hormones, whereas in females, the ovaries are responsible for making the sex hormones. So to recap, we've learnt about the types of endocrine glands in the body. You now know where they are located, and you know a bit about what they do. This video offered a brief overview, so the next video will name the hormones that these glands make and expand on their effects. If this video was of use to you, please give us a like or subscribe to our channel to get some more help. Also, if you have any questions, please post them.